Hello friends, welcome back with another video, and in this video you are going to learn how you can add a Google Map link or widget on your website using Elementor Pro. As you can see, here is the widget of Google Map and the direction of someone's office or location in this website. Once you click on this direction, it will redirect you to the map and the office location of the person you selected. So how can you add this type of links and widget on your website? Let me show you how you can. Okay, first of all you need Elementor Pro. Go back. Okay, as you can see here we have a map. Just going to recreate a map. So first of all what we need to do is go to the admin panel of your website. So here is my website. Just go to login. As you can see we have a lot of pages here. Okay, click on pages. I'm going to add this map on homepage. So okay, we are going to add here. It's a draft page. Okay, here we don't have anything on this page. First of all we are going to add a structure here like this. It's added, and then what we need to do is write map here. Okay, so here it's Google Map. Just drag and drop to the structure, and in the location section we are going to add a location. For this, go to Google Map. Okay, so map. Here is a map, and let's suppose I am going to add a several location. Okay, here, this one. So here is it. Click on directions and copy the location here. Okay, and paste it here. Wait for it. Okay, so here is the location title, location complete view, and the satellite view. So you can zoom in and out from here. And you can also change the height of your map like this. Okay, so I think it looks perfect here. Click the publish button. Okay, so click on preview. As you can see, your map is here and it's done. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment. I will reply you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.